How to improve cybersecurity awareness in your organization. What is cybersecurity awareness? The term cybersecurity awareness refers to educating staff members about cybersecurity best practices as they go about their daily work. With the use of technologies, resources, and training, cybersecurity awareness is developed in order to provide information on how to contribute to maintaining information security. Businesses develop cybersecurity knowledge over time, but it needs to be regularly updated to stay updated with new security threats. The importance of cybersecurity awareness. In order to defend against cyber attacks, cybersecurity awareness is crucial. For employees to practice good cyber hygiene, businesses must prioritize raising cybersecurity awareness. According to a recent report, human error results in 95% of cybersecurity incidents. Human error refers to unintentional actions or a lack of action that eventuates in a security incident or breach to occur or spread. Here are 7 essential ways companies may raise employee understanding of cybersecurity. 1. Include cybersecurity in the onboarding process. 2. Regularly conduct cybersecurity training. 3. Employ cybersecurity exercises. 4. Establish reliable cybersecurity policies and practices. 5. Create interesting cybersecurity training sessions. 6. Make sure upper management encourages cybersecurity. 7. Ensure that training is focused and simple to understand. For more such updates, visit our channel.